welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here we are at the Dollar Trees Plus section. Let me show you what they have. Let's just go through everything. So they have these essentials garbage bags. I've never tried this one, but these are $5 and you get like 50 of them. And here you have the Commander ones, and here you have the dryer sheets of Snuggles. So the tag says $5. Okay, then you have the 40, what do you mean? You have 144 count of the utensils to use outside. So they have everything coming out for summer, guys. So $5. And then here's the variety pack of the Ziploc bags. And these are the sizes they come in. Then here you have a dinnerware set. So I've never seen these. It's a 48 piece. You get the plates, the cups, and the utensils. Here are the drinking cups and some more paper plates along the bottom. Here are some dispensers for the summer for drinks. And this here, I love. Who's used the snack box? So these snack boxes are so good, and I'm loving those colors. Isn't that beautiful? You got the beige and the cream. You have some more tumblers. Okay, and some more containers up there. That's nice. So I'm liking this one too. So this one is $6. This one is just one piece, and those have compartments. Okay, here's what I love is this huge cutting board. It's a bamboo cutting board, and it is huge. So it's $5, and this is a nice size. You could do so much with that. So here are the stools. So the stools are coming with a new pattern on the top. They come in white, blue, black, and yellow. And here's some more flower pots. So the flower pots from the Dollar Tree are really nice size. Here's a gardening tote, so you can store your utensils. They have the utensils here for $3. All right, and here are the bug zappers. The metal stakes and the flower. Let's see, those are really nice, those stakes for the ground. Let's see. So we have some lanterns along the top, and those are like $5. I don't know why they're always dented. You see the dents in them? All right, so here are the LED lights. You get 100, and look how cute. The solar light and the mushroom. So here you have some bird feeders. And some more lanterns. Some more decor for outside. So sweet. So strawberry basket, complete grow kit. So that's really nice, and those are also $5. A lavender basket over there is very nice. This is really cute. In the bee theme. So these are $5, a birdhouse. And look at these. They have, these light up. They have an LED, a sun, what do you call that? Sun solar light. And they're fairy houses, and I like these. So these are also solar lights hanging. I like those. And then look at this one. That's very pretty. They come in black. Some more stakes for the ground. And I don't want to move those things out of the way. I like the bumblebee. But they do have like table placemats. And there is the welcome in the carrots. Relax. Here's some garlands and some wreaths. That's really pretty. So I like this. Easter blessing. And here's Happy Easter. Easter blessings. Here are the tier trays, guys. So I like that bless sign. And I'm loving these Easter eggs. So the bless sign, the tier trays come in a rabbit shape. And they come in these colors. This is let's have a couple of cream ones. Look at the bunnies. So the bunnies are $10. I like the white one. All right, so then you have these. These are bunny hangers. They're cute. And here's a white one. Some more Easter eggs here. And then you have the Easter egg beaded garland. I like that. You have the pom-pom bunny garland. And some more of the beaded garland. This one says Happy Easter. And here is the Easter garland. and the beads. And these, so you have, what is that, the ribbon one, and then these are the bunnies. Very nice. I like these Easter eggs. Those are nice. And here's the gloves. I guess this is kitchen stuff. Okay, the silicone oven glove. And then you have some lights in the bunnies and the Easter eggs. And here's some more garlands. And look at the bottle brush, the tall ones. Those are $3. And I like the trees. Those are really nice. And here are the flocked bunnies. Aren't they cute, guys? And I think they come in two shapes. So they have this one, and then they have the stand-up one over there. These are really nice. I have a couple of those. Then you have these guys right here. Some of the metal decor. And here's some more tier trays. So you have this style, this one, and that one's the same. You have the runner for the table, runner in that faux turf. This is nice in here. So the Easter baskets are really nice. The stuffed animals. Here's some more bunnies and stuff you can decorate with. I like these. Again, these are like $5. I bought these last year. I still have them. They're so cute. And then you have like the stuffed animals that you can put in the baskets. There are the Easter eggs. I think they have the stack ones. Yep, here they go. The stackable eggs for $5 here. So behind me in the plus section, you have all of the electronic stuff. Then you have some pillows. Okay, some throws, some Kleenex. You have some pillowcases in those colors, shower curtains, towels, placemats. I mean, not placemats, I'm sorry, the floor mats. And then some more pillows. That's really nice. All right, so you have those totes. Then here's like their little auto section, which I really like. Here's a steering wheel tray. If you guys are interested in that, it's $5. Some wash for the car and wax. This is like a vacuum. Some Armor All washing stuff. I like this, the car truck organizer. I like this. And then what is this? A twist sunshade. So that's nice. All right. So they're not filled with everything. So I'm just showing you what they have. The Rain-X. And here's some clip fresheners. And then over here they have the cleaning stuff. So they're not large in the cleaning section here. But over here they have all of the toilet tissue and paper towels. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.